Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. For those of you new, I'm Jeanette from Boricua Sewing and Crafts, and this video I'm going to be unboxing a new thread rack that I received. I got this from Tech, and I wanted to switch out my thread racks, okay? I have some thread racks over here on the side that are of plastic. I used to buy the wooden ones, and I have them on the side that's plastic, and I wanted to go ahead and I wanted to replace the remaining ones that I have. So I got this from Tech, and it is a 2-pack of a rack, and each rack is 60 spools. So as you can see right here, I have my threads, and these are on the wooden racks, okay? And I'm going to give you a close-up so that you can see. And as you can see, the racks are wood. They're okay, but the thing is, they are kind of on the flimsy side, and I wanted something a little more sturdy. So I looked into these, and these really seem to be doing, they look pretty nice. So I want to see how these would work out, okay? So I'm going to unbox it right now. So I'm actually going to open this up and take a look at it. And one of the things that I noticed on the picture is that it kind of has the little rack. So you don't have to hang it on the wall if you don't want to. So it's like an option. And I kind of like that. So opening it up, as you can see, you end up with 2 racks. Okay. And then looking at this, I see right here it has the stands. Okay, and I'm sure, you're going to have to like put a peg or something to keep it up, but I kind of like that. I like that it has the capability of doing the stand or even hang it on the wall. I kind of like that. That looks pretty cool and stuff. And it comes with 2. And each of them have 10 across, so they're like 60. So you can put 60 threads here and 60 threads here. So it's kind of funny because it's kind of like misleading because the box says 60, right? But it's 60 per rack. And the thing is, you get 2 racks in a box. So that's not bad if you really think about it. And it comes with all the pegs. Now, one of the things also that I like about this, and let's see, putting these pegs on here, it should be fairly easy. And I also wanted to see, let me see, let's take a look and see how easy this is. Oh, this slides right in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I like that. Oh, and I really like these because I feel like they're more sturdier than if you were to get the wood ones. And then if you just don't want it there, you can just take it out, and like, let's say you have big combs and stuff like that, then you can just put every other one and stuff like that. And they give you so many of these. This is so cool. And it actually comes also with the screws for you to put them in the wall and stuff. So I'm definitely going to have my husband put this in to put the screws in. So I wanted to see so that you guys can see this is, and these are pretty big. I want you guys to see that. This is pretty big. So it looks kind of cool. They're pretty big, and you kind of just slide in. Oh, I like this. This is really neat. Look at how easy that is. So it's like you get a pack, which is the one that I opened, and you have like a whole handful, and all you have to do is just put them all in, and if you don't, you could do every other one or however. I'm going to do all of them though. And then look at this. One of the things that I just noticed also is you get different sizes here. Okay, I just noticed that off the bat. Okay, I wish it had a little bit of instructions and stuff like that, but it doesn't have any instructions. But just looking at here, look, you have pegs for the little spools, and then you have the pegs for the big combs, which I like that. I really do like that and stuff. So I'm probably going to put all the big ones here at the bottom. Let's see if I have any more big ones. Oh yeah, you have Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, so this is pretty neat. I like that they give you the different sizes, and then you can just put however you want. Okay. I will tell you this. I really like the color that it's white, so it matches with anything. And this really looks a lot better than if you were to get the wooden ones. Honestly, they look more sturdier and stuff. It looks like better quality. And I really like that these are easy to pop in and also to pop them out. If you don't. So it's like I could just take these out. See, they come right out if you want it. And then if you have like a really big spool, it does it, Can you guys see? Yeah, you guys can see and stuff. So I really do see to like this a lot. It looks like really good. You can really you can organize this however you want. So like it comes with two, okay, and stuff. The thing I'm trying to figure out is what if you want to use the stand, because it has like the little things on here, but as I notice, it goes all the way around, right? So, but I do notice that there are holes here. Yeah, so I got a feeling that there's probably something like maybe a little peg or something that's probably in here. No, I don't see it. For you to make it into a stand, and stuff. Is somehow make it into a stand and everything. But it doesn't matter really, because for me, I'm going to... Oh, you can stand it. Ugh, what am I talking about? You don't have to do anything. Look, it stands. It does stand. Okay, cool. So, I mean, I just had to put it over there. So, as you can see, it's standing. Matter of fact, let me take this out of the box so you can see the whole thing. Okay. So, it does stand on its own. Okay. No problem there. Okay. And then I like that it comes with all the pegs. And the pegs, these are not cheesy. I mean, they're very good quality and stuff. I really like them. They look pretty good. I think this was a really good buy. I really like that. And they're so easy to put in. Okay. I mean, it's not hard at all and everything. So it's like you just lay it and then you just put them in. And I kind of like that you get the big ones and then you get the small ones. So I can put like oh, I like this. Oh, wow. I'm really going to love this. This is pretty cool. This was a good buy. Sometimes you get what you pay for. I usually get the wooden ones because the wooden ones were kind of like economical. They were pretty cheap and they did the job. They did do the job. But the thing is that now I really want I can now get better quality stuff. And this, honestly, I feel like this is going to last a lot longer than the wooden ones. Because sometimes the wood ones, they're so thin that they can break. Plastic, these are very sturdy, and I really like that they come in and out. With the wood ones, it's like once you put them in, they're kind of like stuck. They already come kind of glued together. You don't have to put them together. At least the wood ones that I got, they already came with the pegs put in, so I think they're glued in. So you don't really have the option of removing pegs if you don't, if you want, just to have the pegs organized a certain way. At least with this, you get to put the pegs in and you decide whether you want the big ones, if you want to use the big ones at all, or you don't want to use them, or where you want to place them. If you want to put them on top, the bottom, kind of like these. So I'm going to put these pegs in. As you can see, they are quite a bit. I mean, you don't get too many, I think, of the big ones, but that's okay. I mean, I really like this. It's very, very easy to put the pegs in. It really is. I mean, it's like you have the peg and then all you have to do is just slide it in there. That's it. I mean, it's that simple. I mean, and I really like that you get to actually put the pegs in. Because like I was saying before, you actually get to, so that it could fit your needs and stuff. I like this. This is good. And look how quick it is to put together. You see, I'm not struggling or anything. Sometimes people struggle, and stuff. And with this, it's very easy. Oh, look, I got all of one pack done. Nice. Now I can just, was that just all one? Yep. This was not bad. And here I have more long ones. I like these. This is really neat. So, let's see. Nice. I really like how it just goes in there so neatly. Here's another tall one. So I'll put all my tall ones at the bottom. Oh, and I get to put some here too. As you can see, I'm not even struggling on putting these things in here. I'll put another tall one here too. I won't be able to hang it right now. I gotta wait for Fred. Fred will put up. I always have him do the screws and stuff like that because I will mess up my walls. Look at how quick. Oh my god. This is like so cool. It's not even like, I could see, at first I was like, oh, it didn't come with any directions or anything like that. But you know what? I gotta be honest with you, you really don't need directions for this. Because it's kind of like very self-explanatory. I mean, look, I'm almost done with one. This is so neat. I'll just do one for the video. Just wanted to show you guys what I got. Because I think this is pretty neat. Oh, wow. Okay. And then I could just stand it up. Here's my little thing. I could just stand it up. And there you go. Look at how neat. I got the tall ones here. And you can switch them out. Or if you can just remove one. You don't want one there. You can just like pull it out. It's no big deal. And stuff. And then what I really like is you have the option of this. And I kind of wish this was a little tighter, but that's okay. I mean, this is actually going to go on the wall for me. This is actually going to go on the wall for me. But as you can see, it's just a little flimsy on the thing. But if you put this like against a wall or something like that, it'll be fine. And I'm sure that the weight of the thread will probably help it too. And stuff. So, I kind of like this. I think this is like so cool. I don't know. So guys, I just wanted to do a really quick video and show you my new thread racks. I really like them. I think they're cute. They're cute. They're going to match my decor and stuff. So if you guys are interested, I will put the link to this in my video description. But I really like them. It looks sturdy. It looks very good quality. It doesn't look cheap or cheesy or anything like that. I like the fact that you have the long, the long, I don't know what you call these little bar things to put your thread on and stuff. And you have the short ones as well. And that you can take them out if you don't want them, and you can change it up and stuff. and the option of hanging it on the wall versus you know, just using it as a stand and stuff. It does come with the screws also if you want to put it on the wall as well. So that's pretty neat that the screws come with it. I think this is really, really neat. Yeah, and it comes with all the pegs. So in this box that I got, you get two racks, and each rack you have 10 on each row, and it's 6. So each rack has 60, and then you get 2 of them. So if you really think about it, you're getting like 120 that you can store on this stuff. So it's not bad. So guys, hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I do embroidery happy hour every Friday at 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. So I will post the link to this thread rack that I got. You can get it off of Amazon. It was the price, if I remember correctly, I think it was about like $30 or $35. I'm not sure, but I will put that on the link because you know prices be changing all the time. So but this was a pretty good buy. I really, really like it and stuff. So guys, hope you like this video. Happy sewing and happy embroidering. Talk to you guys later. Bye.